We're going to start right now and go into the business of the day. Okay. So let me just make sure everything is set. Okay. All right, guys. So welcome to this presentation and welcome to Kayshow FX. All right. At Kayshow FX, our goal is to simplify trading in the global financial market. All right. That's our goal, and that's why we are here tonight. All right. And at Kayshow FX, we have three parts. We have the Kayshow FX bot, which is the main reason why we're having this presentation. We have Kayshow FX training, which is the part of Kayshow FX that trains people on how to trade the Forex market. And then we have Kayshow FX investment, which is the part that trades for people and gives them, you know, um, monthly returns on their investments. All right, so let's get straight into it. So to find out more about us, you can simply go to our main website, which is kayshowfx.com. All right. Now, Kayshow FX is a part of a big family, and that family is Kayshow Concept. At Kayshow Concept, we do a whole lot of things. All right. We have Kayshow Digital, which is the digital marketing agency part of Kayshow Concept. Here, we help people with launching their digital ads, their campaigns, websites, SEO, all of those things about digital marketing. And then we have Kayshow University, which is the arm of Kayshow Concept that does trainings in the area of digital marketing, graphic design, video editing, motion graphics, website development, and Forex. Okay. And then we have Kayshow Properties, which is the real estate, outfit of Kayshow Concept. Here we help people look for profitable properties around Nigeria, West Africa, and even around the world. And then we have Kayshow FX, which is the Forex trading part of Kayshow Concept. All right. My name is Gabriel Showale, and I'm the founder Kayshow FX. All right. Kayshow, I started my Forex journey late 2017, when I was looking for ways to grow my money in the bank. Because it was then I found out that, the bank was willing to pay me, you know, a small change of 10% for putting my money in a fixed deposit for 1 year. All right. I don't know if it's still up to 10% at this point, but I walked into the bank and I felt like, oh, my money can't just be lying in the bank. I need to find a way to multiply this money to make it grow so that at least it can meet up with inflation rates and everything. And then the bank gladly, and generously offered me 10% for 1 year. I even thought it was like 10% per month. So I was even happy. And then I found I was like the whole year. So if I put in like 1 million naira, okay, at the end of one entire year, I'm gonna get 100,000 naira, and I won't be able to touch my money for that 1 year. And that was devastating for me. And I started looking for other ways. And that was how I came about Forex. And that looks as if it was going to, that answered my question for me at that point. And ever since then, I've made some mistakes, while I was beginning my journey in the Forex market. And right now, I got in training, got mentorship during those periods, and I've been able to develop strategies at this point that have helped people generate income, that have also generated income for me trading in the Forex market. All right. So early this year, 2022, I finally decided to, let all of those knowledge and experience public. All right. We started looking for ways to make sure that people also benefit from this. If I had this opportunity when I started in 2017, it would have been easier and smoother for me. But, right now, this is what bettered Kayshow FX, because our goal is to help people, trade the Forex market profitably without them going through the hurdles and the mistakes and all of those things I made while I was starting up. All right. So that is what bettered Kayshow FX. My passion is to continually help others reach their desired career and financial goals. All right. So why trade the Forex market? Why trade the Forex market? I think I've already given one example. One example is that it's way better than keeping your money in the bank. All right. But we have some other reasons there. Number one is that it has a low barrier to entry, meaning that for you to be able to start trading the Forex market, you don't have to have 1 million naira in your account. You don't have to have 100 million somewhere before you can enter into the Forex market. The Forex market has a low entry barrier. As low as $50, you can begin to trade the Forex market and begin to make some profits and return on your trading capital. By the way, if you can see my screen and you can hear my voice, please drop in a 2 in the chat box so I am aware that you guys can follow me. So I don't just keep talking and you guys are not seeing my screen or hearing my voice. So drop in a 2 in the chat box if you can hear my voice and see my screen. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So number 2, it's a 24-hour market for 5 days, meaning that you are able to trade this Forex market Monday to Friday, every single week, that the sun keep rising. Okay. So Saturday and Sunday, Forex market is closed. By Monday, it resumes again, and you can keep trading and keep trading and keep trading and keep making money and making money and making money. All right. The third thing is that there's high liquidity. All right. As of today, the Forex market has a daily trading volume of $6.6 trillion. All right. And this is way more than the entire budget of the United States for a whole year. All right. I didn't say monthly volume. I didn't say yearly volume. I said daily volume, meaning that every single day, $6.6 trillion, exchange hands in the Forex market. And this is to let you know that the Forex market is very, very big. And even if you are making $1 million in the Forex market every day, the Forex market will not even know that you are making $1 million because the liquidity in it is so much that, your $1 million a day does not even shake anything in the Forex market. All right. The next thing is that no one can corner the market. All right. So because of the daily trading volume on the Forex market, it doesn't matter whether you are Elon Musk, whether you are Bill Gates, whether you are wherever you are, it's like be the richest person on the universe. You can't just carry your money and say you want to go and use it to shake the market or make the market move in a particular direction. Okay, because the liquidity in the market is so huge. Entire Elon Musk, how much do they have? Like $40 billion or $50 billion. All right, that is not even up to 1/10 of the Forex market. All right, so no one person can say they want to move the market in a particular direction to favor them due to the liquidity in the market. The last thing is that it's highly volatile. Okay, if you ask every Forex trader, volatility is what we want. All right, and volatility is the market moving either upward direction or downward direction. And this is when we as Forex trader, this is when we make money. If the market decides to stay where it is, doesn't go up or down, then there's no money for anybody, in the Forex market. But because on a daily basis, the Forex market moves, this is the reason why we want to trade the Forex market, so that we can also earn and make returns on our investment on a daily basis, trading the Forex market. All right. Now, let's go into the main thing for today, and that is the Kayshow FX trading bot. That is the Kayshow FX trading bot. Okay. And how does this trading bot work? A lot of you have been asking this question. I want to know how this trading bot works. How does it move? How do I go about it? We see you post the daily results and everything. How do I get started? Okay, I'm getting a notification that my network is unstable. Please, if you can still hear me and see my screen, please type in 3 in the chat box. If you can still hear me and see my screen, please drop in 3 in the chat box. All right. So let's get straight into it. Now, how does it work? This Forex trading robot is a AI powered trading robot, meaning that it uses artificial intelligence. It uses artificial intelligence, to trade. So meaning that as it trades every day, it gets better every day. The next thing is that it trades for you 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. All right. So for all the days that the Forex market is open, this Forex robot keeps trading. As I'm talking right now, this Forex robot is trading for me and for all those that have subscribed for the trading robot. All right. Those of you that are on the group, I recently posted an ongoing live trade, some hours ago. All right. And like I used to do, by 9:30 there about, I will always post, the final profit for the day on the group. So this Forex robot, Kayshow FX Bot, keeps trading for you Monday to Friday, Monday to Friday. And guess what, guys? I've been doing other things. All right. I just leave the bot to do its thing. All those who have subscribed to, they don't even stress themselves to know what's going on. All they do is to log in into their dashboard, check how much they've made today, and that's it. All right. So that's how simple and easy it is to use this bot. The currency pair it trades is Euro USD. All right. So this bot can trade other currency pairs, but we've chosen the Euro USD because this is the currency pair that suits the trading bot perfectly. All right. And that's why we're using this currency pair. The strategy is trade reversals. All right. So if you're a Forex trader here, I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about here. And if you're not a Forex trader, don't worry, you know, just take it the way it is. All right. But just know that you don't need to know how to trade the Forex market to use this robot. All right. So it trades reversals using support and resistance, meaning that at support levels, it looks for buys. And then at resistance level, it looks for sell. It's as simple as that. Okay. And then what is the requirement to use this trading robot? You need no trading experience to use this trading robot. That's how, easy and powerful this trading robot is. Now, guys, the profitability ratio of this bot is 40% monthly, guys. This trading robot makes up to 40% return on investment monthly, guys. All right. As at when I was posting the ongoing live trades, this robot has already made over 2% today. Last time I checked, it has already made 4%, over 4% today, guys. If you multiply 4 times 20 trading days in a month, guys, if you multiply that 4 times 20, that's supposed to give us 80. All right, 80% in a month. But we are being conservative here, and we are saying that this robot is able to give you up to 40% return on your investment on a monthly basis. If you're excited about that, guys, drop in a 555 in the chat box right now. If you're excited about that, you're happy to hear that this trading bot can do, and give you this amazing result, drop in a 555 in the chat box right now. Those of you on the group, I'm going to be posting the final trade for today on the group, and you confirm that this trading robot has already done 4%, over 4% today. All right. And I don't even need to talk too much. I'm guessing some people are here who have already subscribed for the robot. If you're here and you've already subscribed for the robot, drop in a 777 in the chat box. I'm sure you've checked your balance, you've seen your money grow, and you're happy and you're just chilling. All right. So you can see we have some people right here. Olatubo is right here, is already subscribed. All right. Kennedy Peter is right here. If you already subscribed. If you're happy that your money is increasing, drop in a smiling emoji there with money beside it. All right. Drop in a smiling emoji there with money beside it. All right. So these guys are just checking their balance, every day, depending on how much time you want to check it, and they're seeing their money grow. And this is the powerful thing about the Kayshow FX bot. All right. And you are in total control of your money, guys. Everyone who has subscribed, they're in total control of their money. They can withdraw at any point in time they want to withdraw. All right. And deposit at any point in time they want to deposit. So you are not giving us your money. All you are giving us is your MT4 account. We put the robot there and it continues to trade for you. All right. It's as simple as ABC. Okay. So the max drawdown on this robot is 20%. And that even occurs like once in like 6 months or 3 months on this robot. All right. So we've tested this robot for over 3 months now, and it has proven to be profitable, and we're happy about that. And that's why we're sharing this with everybody. So how do you get started using this robot? Number one, you need a Forex broker to trade the Forex market. All right. You need a Forex broker to trade the Forex market. Like I used to say, if you want to buy shares, in a company like Coca-Cola, for example, you can't just walk into Coca-Cola bottling company and say, guys, I want to buy Coca-Cola shares. The supervisor there or the, admin there will just be looking at you like, what's wrong with this one? So if you want to buy Coca-Cola shares, is it here? You not come and buy it. Okay. Because at that point, what they're expecting to come and buy there is a crate of mineral or bottles or whatever I want to buy. So if you want to buy the shares of Coca-Cola, you don't walk into Coca-Cola company to go and buy it. You walk into a stock broker firm, all right? And that's where they'll be able to help you purchase Coca-Cola shares. So it's the same thing with the Forex market. If you want to trade in the Forex market, you need to approach a Forex broker. A Forex broker is the one that will help you to now trade the Forex market. All right. So to begin trading in the Forex market, you need a Forex broker. And the Forex broker that we're going to be using, all right, is Xness. So this is our partner broker. Why are we using Xness? Xness provides us some, advantages and benefits that works perfectly with trading with our robots. So Xness is like any other Forex broker out there. For those of you who are Forex traders who have been trading in Forex market, you know what I mean by Forex brokers. All right. We have a lot of Forex broker. We have Xness, we have Hot Forex, we have FXTM, we have IC Markets. Who else again? So many Forex brokers there. All right. And they are also legit and good. All right. But the reason why we're using Xness is because they provide some benefits, some advantage, and it works perfectly with our trading bot. Number one is that they are found in over 6 countries in the world with their headquarters in Cyprus, and they have another branch in the United Kingdom. They also have some licenses and regulation that every serious broker should have, and you can see them listed here. And their support is also amazing. All right, you can chat them live, you can send them email, you can check out their support guides. All right. Then another thing is the type of account they provide. All right, which is very, very key to trading with our Forex robot. All right. And that account is this standard cent account, which is what most people have been opening for a while now. Another thing is the spread. Their spread is very, very low. As a Forex broker, you know what I mean by spread. Spread is the fee your broker charges you for trading on their platform. So their spread is very, very low as 0.3 on Euro USD. All right. And they provide, the maximum leverage of 1 to unlimited and so many other benefits, which is the reason why we chose Xness. All right. And then the next thing I have here is their withdrawal and deposit options. All right. So they have a lot of withdrawals and deposit options that makes it easy for everyone, no matter where you are in the world, to deposit straight from your local bank into your MT4 account. All right. So for those of us in Nigeria here, I can deposit straight from my GT bank or FCMB or whatever bank you're using, Access Bank. From your local account, you can do a transfer straight into your Exness account, and Exness will automatically convert your Naira to dollars, or your CDs if you're in Ghana to dollars. All right. So it makes it very, very easy. They also have other options like Bitcoin, USDT, perfect money, so many options that at the end, when it comes to depositing and withdrawing, they've already given you all the options that are available and that are easy to follow. So this is the reason why we're using Exness as our partner broker. So the next thing is, now that you know that you need a Forex broker to trade, you need to open an account with Exness using our affiliate link. You can see I purposely highlighted this affiliate link. Why? It is important that you use our affiliate link so that by the time you create your account and you're ready to start trading, we would need to confirm that your trading account is under our partnership account with Exness. All right. If it's not under our account, we will not be able to install the trading bot for you. All right. And even if you have made payment at that point, we can even refund you your payment. All right. So you want to make sure that you use the affiliate link to open your Exness account. All right. It's as simple as that. Simple instruction to follow. So how do you go about that? You simply go to KayshowFX.com on your browser, Google Chrome, whichever browser you use. And then when you get there, you click on the Exness button. So you can see the screenshots I've taken right here. So you click on the Exness button here, and then it will take you to Exness website. And then you click on Open Account. And then once you get there, it will bring you to the registration page. You want to enter your country, your email address, password, your address, your phone number, all those necessary details to opening an account. All right. So why did I like this? Do not share this password. I'm highlighting this for security reasons. Okay. This password you are entering here should be kept securely. You should not share it with anybody. Even if I'm the one that call you and say, please give me this, your Exness account password. Don't give me. All right. Or even if somebody from Kayshow FX team asks you to share this password, do not give anyone this password, because anyone that has this password has access to your Exness account and can withdraw your funds and can take your money away and do whatever they want to do with your account. So make sure that the password you enter here is a very strong one and the one that you can remember, and then don't share it with anybody. All right. And I'm mentioning this now because there's another account that you're going to create called an MT4 account. And in that MT4 account, you're also going to enter a password there. And the password you're going to enter in that one, that is the one that you will share with us, not this one. All right. So that's what I'm emphasizing on. Do not share this particular password here. Okay. So you complete your registration process and verify your account. You might be told to submit your passport or your driver's license or your voter's card or your bank statement or your utility bill, all of those things, like when you are opening an account with a bank. So you need to verify and make sure that you sort yourself out at that point. Okay. Then number 3 is you create an MT4 trading account. So now that you have an account with Exness, you now need something called an MT4 trading account, which is the one that you'll be using to trade the Forex market. Okay. So it's like going to your normal bank. Maybe you go to GT Bank, and then when you get there, they will first create an account for you with GT Bank. All right. And then after you now have an account with GT Bank, you can now open different types of account, like saving account, current account, domiciliary account, all of those plenty accounts. So the first account you have opened is the main account with Exness. And then this MT4 account is like a savings account or current account that you will now be using to trade in the Forex market. And that is what is called, the MT4 account. All right. So we need to create an MT4 account. How do you create an MT4 account? You simply go to my account here. So you log into your XNet. So at this point, you would have been done with your registration with XNet and confirming your identity and all those things. So you log in, you click on open new account, all right, and it will bring you here. Now, this that I'm going to explain here is very important, all right. Under this standard, you have two types of standard accounts. We have standard and we have standard set. Okay, so what's the difference between the two of them? Now, the way our trading bot works is that it can only trade an account that has a minimum of $10,000 in it. Now, some of you be like, I would like to see $10,000. And some of you will be like, chicken change. All right. So whichever part you fall into. Okay. But if you fall into the part of, we would like to see $10,000, no worries. All right. We've already got you sorted out. Now, if the amount you want to start trading with is $10,000 and above. So let's say now that, I'm ready to start using Kayshow FX Bot. Okay. Now you want to start trading with Kayshow FX Bot. And you say, I want to start with $10,000. I have one plenty money somewhere that I want to start growing, start making returns on that money. Okay. If the amount is up to $10,000 or above $10,000, then you want to open this standard account. So you click on open real account here and you open a standard account. But if the money you have to trade with, to start with, is not up to $10,000, say for example, all you have is $1,000 to start with, okay? And that's all you have. You'll be like, okay, so Mr. Kayshow, what will I do? Okay, what you do is to simply open what is called a standard cent account. All right. So why did they put this cent here? They put this cent here because if you open this account, any money you put inside here will be displayed as cent. Will be displayed as cent. What does that mean? That means that if I put in, we all know that $1 is equals to 100 cents. So if I pack 100 cents together, that will equals to $1. So meaning that if I put in $1 here, it will be displayed as 100 cents. If I put in $100 here, it will be displayed as 10,000 cents. If I put in $1,000 here, it will be displayed as 100,000 cents. So whatever amount you put in here will be multiplied by 100 and displayed in cents. All right. So you see why I said I got you guys covered, okay? Because for those of you who have $1,000, for example, that want to trade with, you can come and create this standard set account, put your $1,000 here, and it will be displayed as 100,000 cents. So while the robot is trading on your account, it will think that, it is trading $100,000. So meanwhile, you and I know that what it is trading is $1,000. So that is the workaround that we've been able to get for those who don't have up to $10,000. All right. And the minimum you can start with using Kayshow FX Bot is $100. All right. So if I put in $100 here, it will display that $100 as 10,000 cents. All right. And you can see that that's why I said that the minimum you can start with is $100, because it's only $100 that will give it 10,000 cents. And then the robot will think it's trading 10,000 cents. Meanwhile, it is actually trading. The robot will think that it's trading $10,000. But meanwhile, you and I know that it's trading 10,000 cents. All right. So whatever money you are making here is in cents, and everything will be converted to dollars by the time you're ready to withdraw your money. All right. So that is how you choose which account you open here. All right. So if your capital is 10,000 and above, you open this account. If your capital is 10,000 and below, you open this account. All right. And then let's say we are opening the standard cent account. By the time I click on this open real account here, all right, it will bring me here, and you want to make sure that you select real. So it means that you want to trade with real money and make real profits. And then the platform to use is MT4. Don't choose MT5. Our trading robot doesn't trade on MT5, it trades on MT4. All right. Then the max leverage to use here is 1 to 2,000. All right. And then the currency you choose here is USC. All right. That is United States cents. All right. But if the account you are opening is a standard account, it will be USD. That is United States dollars. All right. Both of them are still the same US money. All right. So it's just that this one is in cents. That's why I'm showing United States cents. So you want to make sure you choose United States cents. And then under this, your account name or account nickname is going to show standard cents by default. All right. So, but you want to now put your name before that standard cent. So the reason why we're asking you to do this is so that it will be easy for us to identify your MT4 account. So if you are John Solomon, we want to put John Solomon standard cent here so that we'll be able to, tie this account with your name. I know that it's yours. All right. And if you're opening a standard account, it will be showing standard here. So if you're John Solomon, you want to put John Solomon standard. All right. And then the last thing here is the password. Remember, I spoke earlier that we are going to create another account, and that account is going to have password, and you're going to share this password with us. So because you're going to share this password with us, we recommend that you use MetaTrader 4 as the password. All right. So don't go and use your serious password here because you don't want us to know your serious password. Because the password you're going to enter here, you're going to have to share it with us. So that's why, to make it easy for everybody, the easiest thing to do here is to just use this MetaTrader 4 that I've given you as example. All right. So, but mind you, the first M or the first letter here is capital letter, because that's part of the requirement of this password. So just make the M capital letter and the rest small letter with the 4. All of them joined together, no space. All right. MetaTrader 4 is going to accept that password, and it's better you just use that one, because by the time you are purchasing the robot to start trading, in the form you're going to fill, there's going to be a place that we're going to ask you to enter the password you entered here. All right. So you don't want to go and use your serious password here. So you don't go and be entering your serious password and be letting us know your serious password. All right. So just use MetaTrader 4. That will just simplify everything. Because by the time you purchase your trading pack, the reason why we're going to ask you for this detail is because we want to gain access to this, your MT4 account. All right. Because by the time we gain access to it, we will now help you to put the trading bot on that MT4 account. And then the trading bot will start trading, on your account, and you start making your profits. Okay. I hope you understand that. If you understand that, drop in 555 in the chat box. If you're getting me, drop in 555 in the chat box. All right. So the reason why we're asking for these details once again is we need you to log into your MT4. All right. So once we log into your MT4, we'll help you to install the trading bot on it. All right. Once we install the trading bot on it, you start seeing that your money will start increasing. And that is because the trading bot has started trading, on your account. All right. And once we even log into that your MT4 account, we are going to change this password to our own password. And why are we changing it to another password? We are changing it to another password because we don't want you to log into the MT4 account again. And this is very important. We don't want you to log into the MT4 account again. Why? The trading robot is very sensitive. We are putting some settings and everything into that MT4 account. We don't want a situation whereby you now log into your MT4 account and you're going to press spoil. And then because of the spoil you press, the robots do not understand. And then your account just crash and everything just goes away like that. All right. So once you give us this detail, all you need to do is nothing. All right. After purchasing your trading pack, all you need to do is nothing. Okay. Just sit back, start watching your money grow, monitor your account. I'm going to share with you how to do that later on. And that's it. All right. So making life easy for you. You don't even need to go and do any other thing. All right. The robots will do every other thing for you. So that's why we're going to change the password. And for no reason should you go and change the password again. If you try that, you will automatically disconnect your MT4 account from the robot, and then the robot will stop trading on your account. And whatever happens to your account at that point is up to you. Okay, so just leave all the work for us and the robot while you chill and withdraw your money, on your own side. It's as simple as that. So by the time you're done with all these details, you can now click on create an account, and you would have created your MT4 account. Okay, if you get that, drop in a 777 in the chat box. Now, the next thing is make a deposit into your trading account on Exness between $100 to $100,000. I mentioned that already, that the minimum you can trade with is $100 and the maximum you can trade with is $100,000. All right, so that is what we accept. So if you have $50, you can't trade with us. Anything lower than that, well, minimum is $100, maximum is $100,000. And don't forget that if you're depositing, between 10,000 and below, you open the standard cent. 10,000 and above, you open the standard account. Simple as ABC. So how do you make a deposit into your account? You log into your Exness dashboard. And mind you, some of you might not know, Exness is an independent Forex broker. All right. So we don't have any personal relationship with Exness. And that's what makes this very sweet. All right. You are in total control of your funds. You are in total control of your money. All right. Because your money is with you and you're the only one that have access to this Exness dashboard. Okay. So it's not like we are the owner of Exness. I don't know if you understand me. If you're a Forex broker here and you know what I'm talking about, drop in a 222 in the chat box. Okay. So we are not like any other platform that will say, come and put your money into our own account. And when your money is not in our account, we now one day our website will just close and we don't now run away and go away with your money. No, there's nothing like that here. Okay. Even if we stop, and we say we are not doing again, your Exness account is Exness account. You can withdraw your funds, deposit. You can even trade yourself if you want to with your Exness account. All right. So the only thing you are paying us is the subscription fee for using the trading robot. All right. While you manage your funds, your deposit and withdrawals on your own side. All right. It's as simple as that. So to deposit, you go to your Exness dashboard. You click here. You go to deposit. They have several deposit options, like I mentioned earlier on. You can see them right here. They have bank card, Bitcoin, My Box, Real, Perfect Money, USDT, online bank transfer. So and this particular one here means I can transfer directly from my, local bank to Exness account using my normal, banking app. All right. For example, if I'm using GT Bank, I can come here. When I click on it, they're going to give me an account number to transfer to. Once I transfer to that account number, the money I transferred there will automatically reflect on my, Exness dashboard. And that's how easy to deposit money in Exness. All right. So the next thing after you now have money is to open a USDT wallet address on Binance. So why are you doing this? Now, for you to be able to purchase a trading pack, on our website for the robot to start trading for you, you would need to fill out some form on our website and make payments. Now, the only form of payment that we accept is USDT. And why are we making it so? We are making it so because we are not thinking locally, we are thinking internationally and globally. All right. And we don't want somebody in Ghana asking us that, how do I, pay for this trading robot? I don't have a Naira account. I don't have this, or somebody in South Africa, or somebody in Dubai. All right. So cryptocurrency is a global payment option, and that's why we're going with that option. Okay. And we chose USDT because USDT is a stable coin. It's not like Bitcoin that goes up and down, left and right, every now and then. So USDT is a stable coin. It's just like a normal US dollar. Okay. So you can you will need to purchase some USDT, because when you purchase that USDT, it is USDT you purchase that you will now use to purchase the trading pack on our website. So you need this. And the best platform to purchase USDT as of today is Binance. And that's why we're going with Binance. So for you to open a USDT wallet address on Binance is very simple. Number one, go to our website, kayshowfx.com, okay, and click on the menu. Okay, when you click on the menu, you're going to see Binance. Okay, you click on Binance and it will bring you here, all right, to the Binance website. So why are we saying that if you go to our website first and click here? If you click here, you'll be using our sign up link, which is our affiliate link for Binance. And once you do that, any trade that you do on Binance, you will get 10% of that trade, and I'll also get 10% of that trade. So it's a win-win scenario for both of us. All right. For example, if you deposit $1,000 in Binance, you will get $100. I will also get $100. All right. And it's as simple as that. So, but if you already have a Binance account, all right, this is not compulsory. You can just open your Binance app straight and follow the process. But if you have not opened Binance before and you want to take advantage of this, 10%, commission every time you trade on Binance, then you can use my link here. Every time you trade, you get 10% of whatever you've traded. I will also get 10% of that. Now, you click on sign up, you fill in your normal details, your email address, phone number, verify your account, all of those things. Binance will also ask you to upload your ID card. All these things, they call it, what's it called? KP, know your customer, KYC. Yes, they call it KYC. So that's why they always ask you for your ID card and all those things. So you also need to verify your account with Binance. Once you're done verifying, you can now go ahead and search for the app on Play Store or App Store for those using Apple, or if you're using Android. You download the app. Once you download the app, you can now start trading and doing other things. So you want to log in, all right? And then once you're done logging in, you click on this, wallet icon here. And then once it brings you here, if you can't find USDT here, you want to click on the search here and you'll see USDT. You click on it. Once you click on it, to get your USDT wallet address, all you need to do is to click on this deposit button here. And once you do that, it will ask you what network of USDT. So USDT has several networks for trading. All right. So the network we use and that you must also select here is the Tron network, TRC20. Why Tron? Okay. The network fee for Tron is very, very low. All right. So on Binance, if you're trading with USDT, the fee for Tron is $1. All right. So, and that's very, very cheap compared to, some other network like ERC that will charge you up to $10 per transaction. Okay. So that's why we're using Tron. So you want to make sure you choose Tron. And once you click on Tron, it will now display to you your USDT wallet address. So you can see mine here. All right, being displayed to me. So now that you have your USDT wallet address, anytime you need it, you can always click on this copy button here and you can copy it and go and paste it wherever you want it to be. Another reason why we say you should open up this USDT wallet address now is by the time you're opening an account on our website to purchase your trading bots, okay, by the time you open that account, you will also automatically get an affiliate account. All right. You also automatically get an affiliate account, meaning that if you refer somebody to our platform, okay, and we want to pay you commission, we are going to also send your commission to this address and you get the money straight inside your Binance. All right. So that is another reason why you need this wallet address. So let's move on. Now that you have a wallet address, you need to buy USDT on Binance to now purchase a trading pack. All right. So depending on the trading pack that you want to purchase, the minimum you have is $25 all the way up to $5,000. All right. So depending on the trading pack you want to purchase will determine the amount of USDT that you are going to buy. All right. So if, for example, you're going to want to start trading with $1,000, the trading pack you need to purchase is $50. All right. So let's use that as an example. So you know that you will pay $50 on our website. So what do? You go and buy $50 worth of USDT so that you can use that to pay for the trading pack on our website. So how do you buy? You simply go back to your Binance account. You click on this trade icon here. All right. And when you click on that, to show you these options, you want to click on buy. All right. When you click on buy here, it's going to bring you here. Now, when you get here, if you don't see USDT, you want to come and search for USDT here. And once you see USDT, you click on it because that's what you want to buy. You don't want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. You want to buy USDT. So you click on USDT to bring you here. All right. And when you get here, you want to click on this switch here to change the currency to USDT. All right. You don't want to be entering 5,000 or 10,000 here or 20,000 here and then now be waiting to see how much that is in USD. So you want to enter the USDT amount straight. So it will not convert that one to Naira for you or to cedis or to, whatever country you're watching from and the currency that you use there. Okay. So you click on this button here to switch to USDT. All right. And you can see that it has switched to USDT here. So you want to enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. All right. So based on that example I gave you of $50, you can come here, enter $50 here. Okay. If that's the trading pack you want to go for. And then you come down and click on buy. When you click on buy, Binance will now give you options of how to make payments for this USDT. Now, especially for those in Nigeria, the best payment option is this P2P. All right, is this P2P. Pay with card and this cash balance for those in Nigeria doesn't work. You try to pay with your card. CBN has already said the only maximum you can use on your card is $10 in a month, which is very ridiculous. All right. So, but with this P2P, if Binance is going to link you with somebody else that has USDT in their own wallet, all right, and you transfer the amount to that person, okay, and that person will transfer the USDT to your own wallet on Binance, all right. So it's as simple as that. So P2P simply means peer-to-peer, all right. So for those in other countries apart from Nigeria, you can try other methods available for you, all right, and you can make payments with that option. Now, once you click on P2P here, you click on confirm. When you click on confirm, to bring you here, Binance is now letting you see how much that is in Naira. So this example here is for 1,000 USDT. You can see it's 592,390 Naira. All right, so if it's $50 you entered here, to convert that to Naira for you, you see how much you are paying in Naira and all of that. And then you click on make payment. Once you click on make payment, to tell you that you should transfer that amount to this account details here. So you can see that this account details here, is local. All right. So this is the person's name, this is the person's account number, and this is the person's bank name. All right. So I'll just grab my mobile app that I used to transfer, open it, enter these details here, and transfer that sum or that amount to that person. Okay. Transfer it to the person. Now, at this point, Binance has already withheld, that 1,000 USDT or 50 USDT, whatever USDT that you purchased, it has already subtracted from the person's account. So this, approach is very, very safe. Nothing is going to happen to your money. Okay. So it has already subtracted from the person's account. And then Binance is now waiting for you to transfer the amount to the person's account. So once you're done transferring to the person's account, you want to click on transfer, notify seller. Once you click on this button, all right, you've told Binance that Binance has transferred the money to the person. All right. And then the person on the other end will wait to receive alert. Once the person sees your alert, the person will also say that, okay, money received, release USDT. And then you just automatically see that the amount of USDT it's purchased is being released into your own account. All right, so I've used it many times. It's very safe. It's just transfer, you get your USDT, it works fine. So I don't know about other platforms. That's why I'm recommending Binance. All right, but Binance is a very popular platform to do, all of these things, to buy and sell your cryptocurrency. All right. So once you now have money in your Binance USDT pack, now, remember I was giving an example of $50. Now, when you are buying your USDT here, by the time you want to transfer that $50 to us to purchase your trading pack, Binance usually charge something called network fee. All right, those of you that have been doing crypto, it's not new to you. You know what network fee is. So, and that network fee is usually $1, like I mentioned, for Tron network. Okay, so you want to make sure that as you are purchasing here, you want to purchase like 2 extra USDT here, so that by the time you want to transfer to us, depending on the network fee it displays to you, if it displays $1, you want to make sure that you transfer $51 to us. All right. If it shows you network fee of $2, then you transfer $52. Because by the time you do that transfer, Binance automatically removes the network fee. And what we are going to eventually get is still $50. So it's not like you're transferring the $51 or the $52 for us. All right. But usually, 90% of the time, the network fee is always $1. All right. So most likely, if you want to purchase the trading pack of $25, you send $26. If you want to purchase the trading pack of $50, you send $51. So you just add $1 extra on top and send to us. So how do you purchase your trading pack on Kayshow FX? So now that you have your MT4 ready on Xness, you have deposited money into it, it's ready. You've also gone to Binance, you've created your USDT wallet address. You've also purchased USDT, everything is ready. So how do you now purchase the trading bot so that it can start trading for you on your account? Okay, number one is purchase a trading pack on Kayshow FX using a referral link. So if you go to our website, you're not going to see any place that you used to register or purchase trading bots. All right, and we've done it in such a way like that because our marketing strategy for Kayshow FX is through referral. So we have an affiliate system that we've built around it. Okay, so whoever is hearing about Kayshow FX, somebody must have told you about it, or you must have heard directly from me. Okay, so you will need a link from that person or from me to be able to purchase your trading pack. All right. So if somebody has invited you to join this, meeting right now, or you're watching right now, you want to make sure you get, you go back to that person, get his or her referral link, and use that to, purchase the trading bot. All right. But if you don't have anybody, if I was the one that invited you for this training or for this meeting, then I'm going to give you my URL that you're going to use to purchase the trading pack. Now, these are the trading packs available. And if you look up here, you will see that this is pre-launch offer. All right, so we pre-launched Kayshow FX Bot last week, Saturday. All right, that's about some days ago. Okay, so we are still going to have a mega launch whereby it's going to be in a very big hall. It's going to be physical. It's not going to be virtual. We're going to bring in a lot of people, from in and out of Nigeria. So it's going to be a very big event. And by the time we are launching it finally, all these prices here will double. Okay, all this, trading pack amount here will double. So this 25 will be 50, this 50 will be 100, this 100 will be 200, this one will be 300, 400, and it's just going to double like that. All right, so this is our pre-launch offer, okay? Because we want to give people access, as soon as possible, all right, before our launch. But by the time we eventually launch, all the infrastructures and every other thing will be in place, and we'll be selling our trading pack at the regular fee. Okay, so what does this trading pack mean? This $25 per month means that you will pay us $25 every month to use our trading robots. If the amount you deposit into your MT4 is between $100 to $999. Okay, meaning that in your Xness MT4 account, if you have like $500, then you only pay us $25 per month to trade on that $500. If the amount you have in your account is between 1,000 to 1,999, then you pay us $50 per month. If the amount you have in your MT4 account is between 2,000 to 299, you pay us $100 per month. I'm sure you already get the gist. If it's between 3,000 to 399, you pay us $150 per month. 4,000 to 499, you pay us $200 per month. All right. And this is the amount we use to set up your bot. This is the amount we use to purchase your VPS. In trading with robots, you need something called VPS in Forex trading, which is like a server where your MT4 account will be, to make sure that it is always on, so that the robot keeps trading 24/7. All right. And this fee is going to cover a lot of okay. So that is that. If you understand this trading packs, drop in a 777 in the chat box right now. Drop in a 777 in the chat box right now. So depending on the amount you want to start trading with, would determine or would let you know the amount you would go and deposit in your Binance account. So it means that if you want to do like this $1,000 now, so this was the $50 I was using as example. So you make sure that you already have $50 in your Binance, $51 or $52 in your Binance account, so that by the time you want to purchase, you have enough money to purchase this trading pack on our website. If this is the one you are going for, you make sure you have $202 in your Binance account that you have purchased with the P2P, so that by the time you're ready to purchase on our website, you already have enough money to purchase, that pack. All right. So that is how it works. And this goes all the way to $100,000 to $100,000 $999. And for that, you'll be paying $5,000 per month. And guys, if you'll be making 40% on your money every single month, for example, let's assume this $1,000. If you're making 40% on your money, let's assume you deposited $1,000. That's $1,400 every month, and you're only paying us $50. That is, I think, the best deal that you can ever get. If you're excited about that, drop in 555 in the chat box. Okay, guys. So this subscription fee is nothing compared to the, return on investment that you're going to be getting every month using our trading bots. All right. $400 to $50 is nothing. All right. So, and that's why this is our pre-launch offer. So by the time we eventually launch, this is going to be $100. And if I'm still making $400 in a month and I'm only paying $100 to make that, that is still very, very, very small compared to the amount I'm making using the trading bot. Okay. So that is that for the packs. So how do you get started? You get that referral link. Once you get the referral link, you click on it, it will bring you to our website. You scroll down and you will see all these trading packs that I just listed for you. You will see all of them on the website. All right. So you can see this is the example of the $1,000. You can see that the original fee is $100, but right now we're giving it out for $50. So you click on it to bring you here. You click on buy now to bring you here, where you now enter your details, your first name, email, phone, country, all of these details. And then when you scroll down further, you will see your XNet MT4 account details. All right. And once you get here, it's going to ask you some questions, your XNet server, XNet MT4 login, password, and all of these other things that we have right here. Okay. So now all of these details here, you already have them. That's why before you purchase your trading pack, you must make sure that every other thing is settled. You must have created your XNet account, deposited money into it, created your USDT wallet on Binance, deposited money into it. Make sure everything is settled before you get here. Because by the time you get here, this is not the time you now want to go back and say, I've not put money in my MT4 account. I've not done this one. No. By the time you get here, you should have done all those things previously. So here you want to enter your XNet server here. All right. Your MT4 login. Remember that password I said you are going to give us. So this is where you enter that password, that MetaTrader 4 password that I said you should use. This is where you enter it, your account type, and all of these other options here. Now, to get all of this information easy, you can simply head back to your Xness account, go to that your MT4 account that you created, click on the settings button there, and you will see account information. All right. And then you click on account information and you will see all the information about that particular account. So this server that I was asking you about, you can see it right here. You can just click on this copy button here. All right. And then go back to the form and paste it here. Then you come back here, MT4 login, you copy that one too, and then you come and paste it here. Xness MT4 password, you enter that MetaTrader 4 here as the password. All right. So that's why I said that you should ensure that you use MetaTrader 4 in the password there. So you just come here and enter MetaTrader 4. But if you use any other one still, make sure that you enter the correct password here. Then account type, you go back to your Xness. You can see the account type here, standard cent. You copy, you paste here. Okay. Then USDT wallet address. To get this one, you have to go to Binance. Okay. Remember that wallet address you created the other time. You click on the copy here. All right. And then you come here and paste the wallet address here. So that's what we're going to use to pay your affiliate commission if you refer somebody to register on our platform. All right. And then once you're done with that, you now want to enter your account username and password. Now, the username and password here is what you're going to be using to log into Kayshow FX. All right. This is what you're going to be using to log into Kayshow FX to check your account, your subscription, all of those things. So you enter a username here, and the password you're going to enter here should be secret. So this one that you enter here too, you want to make sure that you don't share it with anybody. All right. It should be personal. Okay. It should be personal. So that is what you should do there. All right, so that is how you go about it. So you see your order here, the amount you pay. Now, when you get to this payment option, make sure you use USDT. All right, and then you click on I have read and accepted terms and conditions, and you click on place order. Once you click on place order, it will bring you here. All right, once you get here, you will see the amount you have to send, and you will see the wallet address you have to send it to. Now, to make this very easy for you, you just copy this right here to copy the amount. Then you go to your Binance. You go to Binance. You click on this wallet icon here. This time you click on withdraw because you now want to withdraw that money you have deposited to use to pay for this bot. You click on withdraw, and then when you get to withdraw, it will ask you which address, which network, and the amount. So that amount you have copied here, okay, you want to come here and paste it here. Okay. Now, when you paste this amount here, now this amount you're seeing here, you can say 49 something, something. When you paste it here, all right, in this screenshot, I didn't take the screenshot of where I increased it. You are supposed to increase it by $1. If you look down here, can you see network fee, 1 USDT? And can you see that Binance has already removed it? So if you go and send this like that without adding an extra $1 here, you'll be sending $48 instead of this 49 point something dollars. So by the time you copy this amount here and you paste it here, just go to the 49 and change it to 50. If it was 25 point something that you copied here, by the time you paste it here, just change it from 25 to 26. So that by the time Binance removes the $1 network fee, it would come back to the fee that was here. Okay. I hope you understand that. If you understand that, drop in 777 in the chat box. So don't forget to add an extra $1 here so that by the time Binance removes their $1 network fee, it will change back to the amount here. Okay. So if you copy 100 here, you make sure it is 101 that is here. So don't change all the things in the point something. No. All those ones should remain the same. The only thing you want to change is the main value here, which is this 49. You change it to 50. If it's 100, you change it to 101. If it's 25, you change it to 26. So all the points, something there, don't go and change that one to 0. Leave it at the point, whatever that is there. All right. All you're adding is just $1 to it. Okay. And that will sort you out. Okay. So you can see add network fees here. So which is $1. All right. And to confirm the network fee is charging you, just look down here. You can see at this point it's charging me $1. It always charge $1 at every point in time. It's always $1. But anything can happen, it can change at any point. So always make sure you check here to confirm before you make that addition. Okay. And once you're done, you copy the address, you paste the address here. Then the network, don't forget to use Tron, TRC20. And then when you're done with that, you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, Binance will tell you that, your funds are on the way or something. It'll tell you something like that. So at that point, it means that it's processing, your withdrawal. And, during that period, you don't want to close this page. All right, because this page, before now, it will not be showing payments complete. It will be showing awaiting payments. That's what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing awaiting payments. So by the time Binance transfer this fund to the wallet address here, it will change from awaiting payments to payment complete. Once you see this payment complete, it means that we have received your funds. And it usually, happens in less than, 3 minutes max. It should change to payment complete. Sometimes it even does it in 30 seconds, changes to payment complete. All right. So once you see that payment complete, it means that your funds have arrived and we have received it. Okay. And you automatically get an email letting you know that your order is successful. Okay. So this is my own referral link. So for those of you that are invited to this meeting, you can copy this. Let me also drop it in the chat box. You can copy it somewhere, that you want to put it into. So this is my own referral link. But if somebody invited you here to this presentation, then you want to make sure that you get their own referral link. So I've dropped it in the chat box. You can copy that, paste it somewhere on WhatsApp or your notes, whatever you want to post it. If you want to purchase your trading pack, you can just click on this link and it will bring you to that place where you'll be able to purchase your trading pack. You can also take a screenshot of this, and keep it somewhere. So this is the link you're going to use to purchase the trading pack. Once you're done, you get an email from us letting you know that your order has been complete. And once you receive that email, we are going to see all your details. We will log into your MT4 account, put the trading robot there, change your password, and we will reply you with another email letting you know that the trading bot is now live on your MT4 account. So once the trading bot is live on your MT4 account, how do you now monitor your money? How do you monitor how much you have made? What is going on with your account? Since you cannot log into your MT4 account. So how do you now monitor what's going on? It's very simple. You simply go to your Xness account. Once you get to your Xness account, you click on the menu, you click on monitoring. All right. And then from monitoring, you can see all the trades that the robot is now trading for you here. So you want to make sure you choose the accounts that you have given to us here. Then you begin to see all the trades here. To see more details about a particular trade, you click on this drop down and it will show you that particular trade, the time the trade closed, the lot size that was used, the symbol that was traded, which is EURUSD, the opening and closing price, the stop loss, the take profit, and how much profit was made on that particular trade. All right. And then another thing you check is to be checking your balance here. So your balance here will be showing you how much, So if you, by the time you deposit, maybe let's say $1,000 here, don't forget that one is plain as 100,000 cents. All right. So to know that your money is growing, by the time you log in here, maybe like after 24 hours, what has traded, you might see something like 100,001 cents. Then tomorrow you can see maybe like something like 105,000 cents. All right. Next day you can see like maybe 110,000 cents. And then the next day you can see maybe like 120,000. And then that's how you see that your money is growing and growing and growing. All right. Those of you who have started using the bot, all right. Congratulations to you guys. And I'm sure that you guys are monitoring your trade and you are seeing how your money is going. David Igwe, this robot cannot use MT5. Maybe you're just joining in. I already mentioned that already. And mind you, all of this slide that I'm talking about, that I'm using to show you this, I've also made a provision for you to be able to download it so that you can follow along with it if it looks as if I'm moving fast. All right. So, but before we move on, there are some important things that you should note. Number one of it is that you should not change your MT4 account password. All right. Do not change the MT4 account password. So once you purchase the trading pack and we log into your MT4 and we change the password, don't go back to Xnet and go and change the password again. I've mentioned this before. If you do that, you will disconnect the trading robot from your account. And once you do that, it means that the robot is no longer trading on your account, and it cannot help you to automatically close or open new trades. So it means that you've disconnected it, and whatever happens to your account at that point, is on you. So let us do the whole work. I've showed you how to monitor your trades and your account balance from Xness. So that's all you need to do. And you can even do that once in a day before you go to bed and see how your capital is growing. Number two, do not withdraw or deposit during weekdays. All right. Withdrawal and deposit window is open between 12 a.m. On Saturday and 12 p.m. on Sunday. All right. Now I know that you have total control of your funds. All right, which is a good thing, but it's also a bad thing, if you just withdraw and deposit anytime during the week while the robot is trading. So the way our robot is that it doesn't like you to interfere with his strategy and the calculation and everything he has done before he enters the trade. So for example, if you have $1,000 in your account and the robot has placed some trade based on that balance and everything, and then you just go there while he's trading, just go and withdraw $200 free from it. At that point, you have already destabilized the trading bot. All right, and he has already set everything. So your withdrawing at that point will destabilize it. And that's why we said that, okay, the best option is for you to withdraw, on Saturday and Sunday. Because at this time, the Forex market is closed. The Forex robot is also not trading at that point. So at this point, you are free to withdraw. You are free to make deposits. Maybe you see the way the trading bot is trading and is making money, and you want to put in more money so that you can make more money. At that point, you want to do it on Saturday and Sunday, not weekdays, Monday to Friday, when the bot is trading. All right, so you want to chill. So if you need emergency money, chill till Saturday or Sunday before you go to your Xness and go and withdraw money from there. All right, I hope you understand that. If you understand that, drop in a 5 in the chat box. Okay, and that's a lot of time. 12 a.m. Saturday means, midnight. From Friday, midnight, when market has closed, you can simply go to your Xness. If you need some money, you can withdraw, your money, do everything you want to do between 12 a.m. midnight on Saturday to 12 p.m. Saturday, to 12 p.m. in the afternoon on Sunday. So anything after 12 p.m. on Sunday, you are not allowed to go and be withdrawing or depositing at that point, because at that point, we are already preparing for the next week. So we're already setting up some things in your account and doing some things. So we don't want to set up all those things, finish, and then you still now go and withdraw again and say, we are still in Sunday. Okay, so it doesn't work that way. All right, so Saturday, so just know that the entire Saturday is open for you to withdraw and do everything that you want to do. Is that clear? All right, so that is that. Now, the third thing is that do not share your main Xness account password with anybody. I mentioned this already. Anybody that has access to this password can withdraw your funds, can do any other thing that you want to do. Although Xness has a 2-factor authentication apply to their account. So meaning that if you want to withdraw, apart from entering the password and everything, you will still need to, it will still send you a code to your phone that you would need to confirm. All right. So anybody that has access to this, your phone and your password, has access to your Xness account. So you want to make sure that your phone and password, you keep it secure and you don't go and be telling people up and down that, this is where, everything is. All right. So some people are already dropping their questions in the chat box. So if you have any question, just drop it in the chat box. By the time I'm done with the presentation, I'll answer you. Now, the fourth thing is that the subscription fee is monthly. So failure to renew will result to deactivation of the trading bot. So this one is very easy to understand. Everybody knows. So you don't pay, no show. All right. So it's a subscription and you can always cancel at any time. So after 1 month, if you feel like, okay, the profit I've made here is enough, you don't want to make any profit again, you can decide not to subscribe. The trading robot will not trade on your account again. You can withdraw your funds from Xness, do whatever you want to do on that. But if you want to continue trading and you want the robot to keep trading for you, you have to always renew your subscription fee. All right. And in case you don't know, you can actually pay for, multiple months if you want to. For example, you can pay 3 months, 4 months. All you just need to do is when you are purchasing the trading pack, you can increase the number of order to 2, 3, or 4. And that will automatically, increase the number that you have. All right. And then lastly, to resubscribe or upgrade, simply use the referral link again. So by the time the month is over and you want to resubscribe, just get that referral link again, click on it, to take you to that page again, and then you fill in the details and you purchase again, and that will help you resubscribe. And then upgrade. What do I mean by upgrade? Let's say, for example, you started with the $50 package, which is the one for 1,000 to 199. And now you feel like, oh, I want to do $2,000, or I want to do $3,000 and above. All right. So what is upgrade? Upgrade means that you will need to go and purchase a higher trading pack. So if you purchase $50 before, all right, and now you want to do $2,000, the amount for $2,000 is $100 per month. So it means that you have to go and purchase that $100 trading pack to start trading on your $2,000 account. All right, and on like that. 150 for 3,000, 200 for 4,000, and on like that. So just use that same referral link. That's why I said you should copy it somewhere, and you'll be using that to resubscribe every month or upgrade to a higher package if you want to. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So those are the things that you must take notes. Very, very important. You can take a screenshot of this so that you don't forget. All right. And I'm also going to give you this slide. So now let's go into the affiliate part of the program. I've been mentioning affiliate all this while. So what is the affiliate part? Now, if you refer somebody, which you're going to definitely do, because by the time you start making money, it's very hard for people to keep, good things to themselves. You want to tell your wife or your husband or your cousin or your family member or your colleague at work. So we are saying that instead of you telling them for free without getting anything from that, okay, we are going to give you 30% referral commission on their trading pack. All right. So if somebody purchases, a $100 trading pack, you will instantly get $30 from that. And you not just get it once, you will get it for life. So by the time the person renews that $100 pack at the end of the month, you will get another $30. The person renews the next month, you get $30. The person renews, you get $30. The person renews, you keep getting $30. So you get that all the way until the person decides not to subscribe again. If you're super excited about that, come on, drop in a 333 in the chat box. All right. So this is an extra way of making more money using, in the Kayshow FX Bot program. All right. So you keep getting that referral commission for life. So you talk to the person once, you get it for life. All right. So 30%, for example, the $100, you keep getting $30 every single month as the person keep resubscribing. All right. There was somebody that, purchased a trading pack when we did our launch on Saturday. He purchased the trading pack on Sunday, and he immediately referred somebody, you know, that same Sunday, and he got his commission that same Sunday. And then the person is waiting for the next month now. He's going to get on that commission, and you keep getting that for life. All right. So that's how our affiliate program works. Now, to monitor what's going on with your affiliates, maybe you have shared your link. Oh, sorry. To monitor what's going on and to also get your link. So the same way I have my own link, you can also get your own link. So to do that, you click on the menu. Don't forget, I told you that once you immediately register on our website by purchasing a trading pack, an affiliate account is automatically created for you. All right. So to now log into that your affiliate account, you click on the menu, you go to our website. This time you go to bot.kayshowfx.com. Bot.kayshowfx.com. So this is the website for the trading bot. You don't want to go to kayshow.fx.com. You go to bot.kayshowfx.com. All right. You click on the menu, you click on affiliate dashboard, and that will show you your affiliate dashboard. Under this balance is where you see the amount you have made so far. Okay. And then if you click on links here, it will show you your affiliate link. So this affiliate link is what you want to copy and start sharing with others. Or if you want to share with your colleague, you can just send the link to your colleague and say, yeah, use this link to register. All right. So that is how you get your affiliate link. It's as simple as that. Now, on our YouTube channel, Kayshow FX, we have also created short videos of this same presentation. So maybe you want to watch a particular section of what I've discussed in this presentation, and you don't want to watch this entire presentation. You can just go to our YouTube channel, okay? Or you copy this link, bit.ly/KFX videos. So let me put that in the chat box. Oh, Balaji is here. Yes, I have received my commission. Fantastic. All right. So you can see that, all these things I'm saying, they are not film trick. All right. There are people are already subscribing and making money, using the bots, and they're also making money with their affiliates program. So that is the link that will take you straight to this playlist where you will see everything in topics. For example, this particular video talks about how to create your Extens account. This one, how to open a trading account. This one, how to withdraw. This one, how to create your USDT wallet. So these are videos, short videos based on topics that you can go and watch. All right. If you don't want to watch the entire video. Okay. Now, this slide that I'm using to present to you, I've also added it to our website. All right. So if you go to bot.kayshowfx.com, if you go to the menu, you will see PDF. If you click on that PDF, you'll be able to download this exact same slide I'm using to present to you. Now, we've made this slide available for two reasons. The first reason is for those who want to follow the step-by-step, of the account registration, purchasing the trading pack, getting your USDT wallet address, with those arrows and those screenshots I've taken. If you want to see them again, you can download this PDF to be able to do that. And then the second reason is for those who want to go all the way with the affiliate program. So maybe you're a very good presenter, you can talk very well, and you want this exact same slide, and you want to use that to present to your followership or to the people under you so that they can understand how the system works and register. You can also use this same slide to do that presentation. All right. So that is why we've made the slide available, for download. So just go to bot.kayshowfx.com, click on PDF in the menu, and you'll be able to download it and have it with you. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me in this presentation. It's been an amazing time. All right. So if you need support or want to make inquiries, you can send us a WhatsApp message. You can email us or check out our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram accounts. On our social media, especially on Facebook and Instagram, we post daily results of this bot. So if you want to see how this bot has been performing all this while, okay, you can go to our Instagram page I post it every day. In fact, I should have posted today's phone. All right. And I'm going to do that immediately after this presentation. Okay. So that, people that have been following will get updates. We also post the update on our WhatsApp group. All right. So you can chat me on WhatsApp if you're not on the WhatsApp group, and I'll add you there. So you can also get the daily results from there. All right. So Bosco says, excellent presentation. No questions. Fantastic. Let me go through and see if there are any questions. Oh, so Oluwatosin have some questions here. Number one, how long have you been using the strategy you applied in this robot? I mentioned that earlier that we've been using this for over 3 months now. Number two, what could be the worst case scenario using the robot? The maximum drawdown on the robot is 20%. And most of the time it recovers after that and goes into profit. Number three, is it possible for the robot to malfunction? No, it's a robot. We've programmed it, and it's not like human being that has emotion or some other things and everything. And that's why we also purchase a VPS server for you. If you know what a VPS is, it means that your MT4 remains open 24/7. All right. And nothing will happen to that. So is it possible to lose 100% capital? And when you observe the drop down, especially when the capital is being drained away, the strategy in place to stop trade? Now, so far that we have been using this bot, like I told you, the maximum drawdown is 20%. And that occurs in maybe once in a month or once in 2 months. Okay. So meaning that if you are trading with a $1,000 account, for example, and the worst case scenario will be by the time you check your MT4, you can see minus 200. And then after some hours, by the time you come back, you see that the robot has already bounced back based on the support and resistance strategy it uses. And instead of it even closing the trade at that point, it will still make profit at the end. So if you check the video we post, you usually see that every single day, the robot makes losses and profits. All right. So this robot is not it's not like every single trade it enters is profit. It makes losses and profits every single day. But by the time you calculate both the loss and profit, the profit will always exceed the losses. All right. So this robot trades normally like a normal Forex trader. All right. So it makes losses, it makes profits. But by the time you count the number of losses it makes, so maybe it makes $50 loss. By the time you count the profits, maybe it makes $120 profits. By the time you subtract that, that will give you a net profit of $70 for that day. All right. So that's why we do videos too. And if you look at my video, you will see I'll show you the trade as it's going. I'll show you the profits. So it's very transparent, and that's why we post these things every day. All right. I think that's all. Okay. Good evening, well done. Please, can we have investor password? Does the broker have it? I think one can check. So for the password of your MT4 or whatever it is, I've already told you how you can monitor your trades. All right. We don't want you to mess up with the MT4 account, and that's why we are not even advising you to get any of such. All right, Isaiah. So just monitor your trades from your your XNet account. If you want a video of your own personal trades, like you want to see your trades, we could take screenshots for you and send it to you, and you'll be able to see, or even videos and send it to you. So we don't want you messing up with your MT4. Because Isaiah, I'm saying this to Isaiah because Isaiah has already subscribed. So I'm not talking to those who have not subscribed. Okay. So if you want that, we could do a video, screenshot and send to you. We don't want you to mess up with your MT4 account because that would disconnect the trading bot. And out of the hundreds of customers we have, we cannot be attending to you every time and be saying, sorry, I made a mistake. Please, can you let me check? And it's like my Kinecon is not trading again. All right. So I think I've answered your question, Isaiah. All right. Yes, it happened today, but the robot recovered in no time. Okay, so you can see Victor has also, subscribed, and he said, yes, it happened today, but the robot recovered in no time. So you can monitor all of this from your XNet dashboard. Your XNet dashboard will always reflect the exact same thing that you have on your MT4. Okay, so you don't need to say you want to log into your MT4 because in the process of doing that, you can go and disconnect the trading robot from your MT4. All right. So good, 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 good. Now, for those who have subscribed, okay, I would like you to unmute yourself and talk about the experience so far on this bot. Bolaji, if Bolaji is there, I want you to come up first because Bolaji was like the first person that subscribed to this trading robot. Like, he's as in he's vexing gone. Okay, so Bolaji, are you there? If you're there,
Yeah,
can you
yeah.
unmute yourself and
Okay.
share? If you can turn on your video too, that'll be fine. But if not, you can just do audio. So, can you share your experience, so far using this trading bot?
Yeah, I subscribed immediately after the workshop last night,
Okay.
and immediately I started the registration both on SNES and Kayshow FX robots. I did my subscription, and everything went smoothly based on the tutorial that I studied again on the Bitly. So,
Fantastic.
and I deposited that night so that trading can commence on Sunday. Trading commenced on Sunday evening. And from
Yes.
Monday, we started seeing both the negative and the positive. And the positive always outweighed the negative in terms of profit.
Fantastic.
And
Fantastic.
it has been consistent every day, including today. So I connected to somebody also who I registered under as a affiliate, and I got my
Yes.
30% referral bonus commission within 24
Fantastic.
hours. Exactly.
Awesome.
So
Awesome.
it has been very,
You have not
very
told us the
interesting and
sweetest part though. How much have you made so far now? How much has climbed your account? You are just telling
uh,
us. People know together.
actually I've not really checked the difference, but I know that the capital is growing. Hopefully by Saturday, I'll be able to now calculate the what has coming within the week. But
So
as
while
at
others are
today, I
while
think
others are talking, go and check now so that you come back and tell us.
okay,
All right.
I'll check now.
All right. So who
Thank
else
you.
again? Isaiah. Okay, Isaiah, your account just came up today. Oh. Who else is here? Who else is here? Oh yeah, unmute yourself. Oh. Okay, Victor. Victor is here. Oh yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Victor.
Okay. Actually, I subscribed late because I was somehow busy and I have some challenges. But I later subscribed maybe yesterday. My trading started yesterday, and
Okay.
as of
Yeah.
yesterday I only had there was just only one loss. Every other trade were positive, which is gain. And today, I think the robot started with loss for some trades, but within few hours, everything turned over and everything became positive. So I was surprised because initially I was saying, how is this thing going to have issues or something like that? But before I knew it, everything became positive. And so far, I think I've gotten up to $12 within 2 days so far.
How
So
much is your capital?
I think it's 200,
Okay,
203.
fantastic.
But I didn't start
All right.
early. I started.
Okay. All right, guys. So I mean, who else is here that wants to say something? Okay, before I end the meeting, you can unmute yourself. Okay. But if there's nobody else, I think I'll just end the meeting right here since there are no other questions. All right, guys. So you can see that we have people that have subscribed and are already making money from using our trading robot. Okay. So to get started, I've given you everything you need to start: the slide, the short videos, this presentation, everything is set for you. So just go ahead, set up your account, and start trading using the Kayshow FX Bot. Thank you so much, guys, for everything. Thank you for joining in. And I'll see you guys, making some money on our MT4. Good night. Yeah, Bosco, thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Good night, everybody.